have the Walmart winter box. I love this box because it's seasonal and it just comes with a lot of goodies. I think it's around like $7, which is very affordable. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. All you gotta do is hit that little red button. I have socials down below as well, but let's go ahead and jump into it. First off is the little pamphlet. It says Cold Weather Beauty Edits. And I like this because it always has like how much the products are, how much the full size is, and you can kind of compare. And I wish Ipsy would go back to that. I know originally it was BoxyCharm who did it, but I wish Ipsy would. Okay, first thing that I see is this little Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. So this is really nice for traveling and to test this out. I have used this, if I'm not mistaken, in the past, and it is a really nice cleansing kind of product. Good Molecules has really great products. I used to be on their PR list and I bought a few of their products myself. I like the fact that they always have all their ingredients on the back. They're very transparent when it comes to their products, and they have a great variety for an affordable price. I didn't know that it was available at Walmart, so apparently Good Molecules is now available at Walmart. I remember it being available at Ulta. I'm not sure if it still is, but this is really nice for traveling or just to test out a new cleanser if you're looking for that. Next we have the Jergens Vanilla Crush Shea Fusion. This is cozy vanilla, toasted almonds, and warm sugar. And it is a little mini version like this. Oh, I forgot to say, the full size of this one is $11.97 if you were to buy the full cleanser. And this one, the full size is $7.47 for 14 fluid ounces. Let's go ahead and smell this. So it's nice and thick. I would keep this in my bag or even for traveling. Oh my God, that smells so good. It is one of those vanilla gourmand scents. I can see myself mixing this with so many of my vanilla ones, my Candy Bite perfume that has like that cinnamon kind of vanilla kind of scent to it. So this is gonna mix really well, and this kind of product is nice because if you lay this down and then put your perfume on top, it just gives it more longevity. So really great one, especially if you're a vanilla lover and you like that gourmand, yummy type of smell. You're gonna really like this one. So that is a win. Next we have the Dove Body Scrub. I love Dove when it comes to body products. I feel like they're one of the really top brands of like having something that's really nice and soft and good for your skin. Like Dove and Olay kill it for me. But so this is Himalayan salt and rose oil. The full size of this is $7.97, so everything's around like $7. Oh, this smells so clean. It has like a little bit of the rose to it, but it also has like that saltiness of the Himalayan salt. Oh, this smells so good. I love a good body scrub, so we will see with the Dove one. You guys know, if you followed me for a long time, I am like addicted to the, oh my God, I can't think of their name right now. I'll pop one here. I've used so many of those, so we'll see how the Dove one goes. Is it Dove or Dove? I feel like it's Dove because I want to say it's like the bird Dove, but I don't know. I've seen people pronounce it both ways. Next we have another little sample pack, and this is from Palmer's Cocoa Butter, another brand that I absolutely love. I actually use their oil like crazy when I was pregnant, like their oil, their cream. I also use the bio oil a lot. I use anything to moisturize. I really need to get back into moisturizing my skin because the older you get, the more I feel like your skin gets like dry and crusty and you need more. So this is Tahitian Vanilla Cream. I'm not gonna open this one up, but there's quite a bit in here. And the full size is $13.97. It comes in a tub. This looks very similar to the Sol de Janeiro type of vibes. Let me know what you guys think. But Sol de Janeiro does those type of tubs, and they always have like the yellow or the purple or like whatever scent it is like that goes along with it. So we will see when I open this one up. But this is a very thick butter for your skin if you like that vibe. I really love like body oils too. I'm all about moisturizing. Next we have the Aveeno Skin Relief Healing Ointment. The full size is depending on the ounces. So they have a small one for 2.7 and then a full size for $12.97. And this one is a skin repairing healing ointment for dry skin. I'm gonna put this on my feet because my feet, oh, they need some love. But this has oats, triple oat shea butter. It is thick. It kind of reminds me of Vaseline. That's how thick it is. But it's not like sticky like Vaseline. It doesn't smell like anything. It's fragrance frameless, so of course it's not supposed to. But Aveeno is another great brand that I love, especially if you have more skin sensitivity. I feel like they have so many great products, even for skincare as well, especially if you have more sensitive skin. Aveeno is a really great one as well. I remember using like a lot of the Aveeno Baby for my son when he was little. Then I have the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This is $4.97 and this is my full size product in here. It says say goodbye to dry chapped lips, hello to supple. It has hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It doesn't have a smell. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell from what I see. And this is in the shade Kiss from a Rose. Oh, that takes me back to the 90s. They do have other shades available. So it's I got the like pinky one here, but they also have like a red, a burgundy, and an orange one available. I don't know if this gives any type of, oh, it says that it gives a hint of color. So maybe it gives like just a little something. But I actually have lip products already on, so I will test that out later. And then, oh, I have another full-size product in here. Am I supposed to have more than one? I thought this was mainly like little tiny ones. Anyways, but I'm happy about it. This is the Proactive Renewing Cleanser. I did not know that they had this at Walmart. I come from the day and age where Proactive was an infomercial and you had to buy it online and like subscribe to it so it would come every month. I had the worst forehead acne in around, I want to say it was like 9th, 10th grade. No, maybe like 10th grade. I was working at McDonald's and between my hair with all the grease, and then I started getting so much acne that I got bangs to cover it up. But it made it worse because, you know, you have to put hairspray on your bangs and like curl them. And my mom was like, you need to stop. And she ordered Proactive for me and it literally changed my skin. I was on Proactive probably like 5 or 6 months. It cleared up my skin. And then after that, my mom was like, this is too pricey. I'm not gonna keep buying it. Because back then it was like, back in the 90s, like I think it was like all 3 steps for like $45, $50, which doesn't sound a lot nowadays because now we like inflation, but back then that was like pricey for someone to get like a skincare step like that. So my mom saved my skin, so shout out to you, mama. But yeah, so I absolutely love this. This is their Solution Renewing Cleanser. This is a full size for $25. And this is like their staple colors for Proactive. This is 4 ounces and it has benzoyl peroxide, which is an acne treatment. I might have to send this to my goddaughter or somebody that I know who has acne issues because I don't suffer from acne. I've had some like hormonal stuff come up lately, but it's been mainly around like my chin area. And so I don't think I need something as powerful as this. So I will be gifting this forward. But this box was so freaking good. I love all the skincare on here. These creams, I'm going to be using this. I know I'll use even this cream. So I'm happy that I had one. Oh, and the Dove Dove scrub for the win. Like, they really did a great job this month. I feel like out of the 4 boxes that or 3 boxes that I got this month, I can't remember, or this year, I feel like this is the best one out of all of them. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you subscribed to this box? What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you're new, remember, all you gotta do is hit that little button. It's free. You can watch whichever videos appeal to you. I have socials down below. Like, comment, share, hype this video up if you can. That really helps my channel out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.